Hello, ayan, may pa-voice over tayo ngayon. Ang dami ko na namang time. Anyway, magluto tayo ng pork binagoongan. First is, prito muna natin ang ating talong or aubergine, sabi dito sa UK. Pakuluan ng baboy. And then, once na nasangkot siya na siya, you can add a little bit of oil. And then, i-prito lang natin ng konti. Add garlic. Add onion. And then, pwede natin i-add yung tomato in UK and tomato in US. And then, dahil walang bagoong dito, ayan, may instant bagoong ang ginamit ko. And then, you can add a little bit of water. Tapos, sili tayo. And then, yung pinritong talong. And then, mix lang. You can add salt, pepper, and magic syrup if you like. And that's our finished product. Thank you for watching.